Kim Davis is represented by a group called the Liberty Council that describes itself as advocating for religious freedom. In response to the court's decision, the organization said that Davis is, quote, a woman of strong faith. All she asks is to be true to God and her conscience. This is not the kind of America the founders envisioned or that most Americans want. Joining me now is the founder of Liberty Council, Matthew Staver. Mr. Staver, thanks so much for being here. So Mrs. Davis was ordered to jail. What's her reaction? Will she ever plan to start issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples or allowing the deputy clerks to do so without it being held against them by her?
Well, knowing Kim Davis and her strong Christian resolve and her conscience convictions, she may be jailed behind bars, but her conscience remains free, and she's not going to violate her conscience. And she's asked for one simple accommodation for her faith, not just for her, but for all the other clerks in Kentucky that are similarly situated, and that is remove her name and title from the marriage certificates. That's all she's asking for. She'll issue the certificates, but she doesn't want her name and title on it because that, in her understanding and mind, is authorizing something that is contrary to her Christian values and convictions, authorizing it contrary to God's design for marriage. So that's where the conscience rub is. And the Clerks Association has actually recommended that same remedy for all the clerks. That would be the simple fix. Rather than jail Kim Davis, who's been a faithful servant of the people, the judge should simply just order the marriage licenses to remove her name and title, and that would solve the matter.
As you know, the Supreme Court in a 2006 free speech case ruled that, quote, when a citizen enters government service, the citizen by necessity must accept certain limitations on his or her freedom. Now, I know this case is a little different, but doesn't the same legal framework apply? This notion that this is the law of the land. She's a government employee, she's not a church employee, and she's obligated to comply with the high court's ruling on same-sex marriage.
Well, certainly there's limitations. On the other hand, the Supreme Court has said repeatedly you don't shed your constitutional rights because you are a public employee or accept public benefits. And in this particular case, it's very clear she still has the protections of the First Amendment, the Kentucky Constitution, and the Kentucky Religious Freedom Restoration Act. She doesn't lose those. So the real question in this case is, does she have opportunities for accommodation? Everyone admits and acknowledges she's got sincere beliefs, that there's a collision of these beliefs. And how can we now accommodate it? That's the real question. Can the government accommodate it? If it's yes, then they ought to. If it's no, then that's a different story. But in this case,
what if it's no?
There's lots of accommodations.
What if it's no, just to play devil's advocate here, and I don't mean that literally, but what if it's no, and the answer from the government is, Kim Davis, just go get another job?
Well, if it's no, and it's really no, and that there's absolutely no alternative opportunity for accommodation, then obviously that's the end of the story. But in this case, the government has to choose the least restrictive means. Is there any way that the government's interest can be accommodated and not trample on this conviction of conscience? And the answer is very clear. All she's asked is one simple request: take her name off the certificate.